Good morning, students. Let us discuss next lesson, ideas of development. So, what is the meaning of development? Development means change. So, any change in in the life of person is called a development. Okay. So, development is a process that create growth, progress, positive change. Development is a process, it can't be stopped. Clear? So, people may have different aspirations about what they would like to do and how they would like to live. Okay? So, some people want to become a doctor, some want to become an engineer, some are interested to do agriculture. So, here the development goals are not same for every person. Clear? It may be differ person to person. Similarly, they have ideas about what a country should be like. So, what are the essential things that they require? Okay. So, not only their personal development, so they will think about development ideas about what a country should they live, where they live. Okay. So, can life be better for all? No. So, we cannot compare one person to another. We cannot compare the development of one person to another person. So, can there be more equality? No. All people don't have equality. Okay. So, here development involves thinking about these questions and about the ways in which we can work towards achieving these goals when we discuss about development. So, these type of questions will be rise. Can life be better for all, or can there be more equality? So, development ideas of development, it is a complex task. Okay, so we'll discuss this more in this lesson. What development promises different people different goals. So, may different people can have a different goals. People have different aspirations. Okay, so take some examples here. Development goals of different categories of persons. Landless rural laborers. So, what they will think? So, they didn't dream about luxury cars. Okay. So, what they will dream? So, they may think about more days of work and better wages. Why? They are suffering. They are not getting regular work in their villages. That's why they aspire about more days of work and better wages. And next, local schools that is able to provide quality education for their children. Local schools means mostly government schools. They may not, they are not able to send their children to private schools. That's why they aspire local school that is able to provide quality education for their children. So another one is no social discrimination. Why? Regularly they discriminate from others. That's why what is the goal of them in future? They should not discriminate, and they too can become leaders in the village. So these are the aspirations or goals of landless rural laborers. They don't dream about luxury cars, luxury villas. Okay, clear? Next, prosperous farmers who are having land and who are getting good income every year. So, what is the goal of the prosperous farmer or landlord? Mostly, they will think about assured high family income through higher support price for their crops and through hardworking and cheap laborers. So here the landlords facing the labor problem. That's why they aspire they should get cheap labor and more income and should be able to settle their children abroad. They want to send their children to abroad for studies and settle in the abroad. So here, when you compare landless rural laborers and prosperous farmers, their goals are different. Their aspirations are different. And based on their conditions, the goals and aspirations will be changed. Clear? Here, farmers who depend only on rain for growing crops. So, farmers who are having less land and there are no irrigation facilities and bore wells. So, what are the development goals of them? So, they may assured minimum income, minimum support price from the government, and irrigation facilities. Okay, should get rains in time. So their ideas may be restrict for that only. They don't think more than that. They cannot aspire more than that. A rural woman from a land owning family. So their aspirations, good income, rains in time, and minimum support price should be declared by the government. Urban unemployed youth, urban unemployed youth who are settled in the cities. So they will think about government jobs, good salary, loans for self-employment, or housing loans. Okay, after getting the job, they think about the housing loan. They want to buy a car. So these are the goals of urban unemployed youth. A boy from a rich urban family. So they are settled in urban area and they are rich. So their aspirations may be differ when you compare with the urban unemployed youth. Okay, freedom in his life. Okay, and they want to complete their studies in abroad and they want to settle in abroad or other countries. Okay, a girl from a rich urban family, a girl from a rich urban family. When you compare with boys, girls may think about more equality. Nowadays, women are fighting for equality, aspiring for equality. So she gets as much freedom as her brother and is able to decide what she wants to do in life. Freedom, equality. She would like to be able to pursue her studies abroad along with his brother. So she is aspiring equality with his brother. Okay, next. An Adivasi from mining fields. So Adivasis means who are the tribal people who are living in the rural area, forest areas. So they may think about good wages for their work and safety, quality education for their children, or they want to construct a small house, okay, to protect their family. A person from the fishing community in the coastal area. So usually fishing community think about good catch of fishes, good income from the fishes, fishing. So they want to purchase a boat, mechanical boat, to catch the more fishes easily. Okay, like that. So here, so many we compared so many people. So they are having different aspiration, different goals. By this, what you understood? So aspirations are vary from one person to another persons. The goals also differ. Okay, so here, in fact, at times two persons or two groups of persons may seek things which are conflicting, differ. So here, a girl expects as much freedom and opportunity as her brother, and that he also shares the responsibilities in the household work. Not only the freedom, they are aspiring equality in the society. Her brother may not like this. So, similarly, to get more electricity, industrialists may want to construct of more dams. So, construction of dams, it is one of the development activity, but it is not a development activity for all. So there is a conflict between two groups. Okay, but if you construct the dams, what will happen? Some lands will be submerged. Some people maybe evict their homelands. Okay, so that's why they don't want to construct dams. They oppose the construction of dams. Okay, what they will aspire. So if the government construct check dams, okay, so they need not to evict their homelands. They can cultivate their own lands. They can stay their homeland. So here the aspirations or goals are different in different groups. Clear? So here one picture given. So our ancient people were lived as hunter gatherers about 2 lakhs years without changes. At the time, there was no development between 2 lakhs years. Later, little bit changes came. So, since 1200 years, we are cultivating the crops. Some changes came since 12,000 years. So, we introduced industries 400 years ago only. 400 years ago. Now we can observe so many changes came in our lives. Okay. Next, so development may development ideas may differ one person to another. So we can take one another example here. In Tamil Nadu, the government thought to construct the nuclear power station or project in Kundankulam, nuclear power project in the Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu is one such conflict. Okay, so people agitated against the construction of nuclear power in the Tamil Nadu. So here government wanted to construct the nuclear power station, but people doesn't want the construction. So here conflict rised between government and people. Why? So what was the idea of the government? So the government of India set up the nuclear power plant in this quite coastal town of Fisherfolk. The main aim is to generate nuclear power to meet the growing energy needs of the country. So what is the idea of the government? They want to generate the nuclear power to meet the needs of the country, growing energy needs of the country. That is development for government. But people thought in different way. The people in the region have protested on the grounds of safety, security and livelihood. If they construct near the coastal area, the fishes may be affected. If any damage occurred for the nuclear station, so surrounding areas may be destroyed, people will be killed. So that is the safety point of view and security. So based on these grounds, the people agitated and protested against the construction of nuclear power. So a long struggle has ensued. Even scientists, environmentalists, social activists also opposed this, and they have stood by the people and supported their protest, even though that was constructed. So nuclear power plant NPP was started 31st 3 2002, but that was completed 22nd 10 2013. It took 11 years because of people opposed. So many people opposed. So after crossing so many barriers, so later government constructed the nuclear power station in Kandalakulam near Tirunelveli in Tamil Nadu. So they spent 17,270 crores on the power station. Now it is working. Okay, so here whose development? Here some are thought that that was a development, some thought that that was not a development. So here we can observe two ideas. One is different persons can have different developmental goals. So the development goals of persons may vary, and development for one may not be development for the other. Development for one may not be the development for other. Okay, so we can take another example here. So read this newspaper report. A vessel dumped 500 tons of liquid toxic waste into open air dumps in a city and in the surrounding sea. So one company dumped their waste garbage in somewhere. So when they construct the industry, so they should dump their garbage somewhere. So they dumped in nearby the city and in the sea. This happened in a city, Abidjan in Ivory Coast, a country in Africa. So because of this toxic waste, highly toxic waste caused the skin rashes, diarrhea. So after a month, 7 persons were dead, 20 in hospitals and 26,000 treated for symptoms of poisoning. 26,000 people were treated in 20 hospitals for the symptoms of poisoning. So a multinational company dealing in petroleum and Metals constructed a local company of the Ivory Coast to dispose the toxic waste from its ship. Okay, here also there is a conflict. Okay, so that's why development for one may not be development for the other. Clear? Next, income and other goals. So what is the meaning of development? How can we measure the development? Already we discussed development means change. Okay, so mostly we can compare development with money. Okay, what most people desire are regular work, better wages, and decent price for their crops and other products that they produce. In other words, they want more income. In terms of income, they are expecting development in terms of income. So besides seeking more income, so one way or the other, people also seek things like equal treatment, freedom, security, and respect from others. So it is called a overall development. If you don't have respect, if you get more money also, there is no use. If there is no security, if there is no freedom, okay, there is not a development. Even at the British time, they tried to develop our country. They established industries, they constructed dams, they established railway lines, even though we were not satisfied with the development. So our leaders were aspired about freedom, equality. So that's why we fought against the Britishers. Okay. So like that. So here, besides seeking more income, so people think about like equal treatment, freedom, security, and respect from others. It is called the overall development. Okay. Money or metal things that one can buy, which it is just one factor on which our life depends. But the equality of our life also depends on non-material things mentioned above. Okay, so people think about equality and freedom in addition to income. So we can take one example here. So consider another example. If you get a job in a far off place, so after completing your education, if you get a job in a far off place, you would try to consider many factors apart from income. So after offering the salary, so what will think? You will consider many factors like safety and other living standards, other facilities also you will consider before going to say yes. Okay, so this could be facilities for your family, working atmosphere, or opportunity to learn. If there is no educational facilities, if there is no good facilities for living, so you may not accept that offer. Okay, so in another case, a job may give you less pay but may offer regular employment that enhances your sense of security. So another job, however, may offer high pay but no job security and also leave no times for your family. So this will reduce your sense of security and freedom. So here two types of offers you have. One is less pay and having good security and other facilities, and another one is more pay but no job security and other facilities. So usually you will opt the first one only. Clear? So here developments ideas will be depend on the conditions. Clear? Similarly, for development, people look at a mix of goals. So if you take women, so women are engaged in paid work, their family income increase and their dignity in the household and society increases. So when the woman earns, so definitely the family income will be increased, facilities will be increased, and in addition to that, besides that, their dignity in the household and society increases. So who are working or who are earning will get more importance in their house. And at the same time, if there is respect for women, there would be more sharing of housework and greater acceptance of women working outside. So a safe and secure environment may allow more women to take up a variety of jobs or run a business. So when women come out from their houses to do work, when they have a safety environment, if there is a safety environment, then women come out from their homes and they will work when different jobs are, they take up the business. Clear? Hence, the developmental goals that people have are not only about better income but also about their other important things in life. So we cannot compare development with the income. Clear? Okay. So we'll discuss next part of the lesson tomorrow. Thank you.